Would you believe that the largest carnivorous dinosaur, bigger than T-Rex, actually ruled the deep rivers instead of the land? Meet Spinosaurus, the 50-foot titan that dominated the river systems of mid-Cretaceous Africa. It is the largest predatory dinosaur ever discovered. It featured a long, flat, crocodile-like snout. Tiny sensors at the tip detected water vibrations, allowing it to easily find prey in muddy rivers. Instead of blade-like teeth, its jaws were filled with straight, conical teeth. This design was perfect for gripping slippery, massive prehistoric fish. Its forelimbs were exceptionally long and muscular. Armed with massive hook claws on the first finger, it snatched giant fish right out of the water. Its nostrils were positioned high up on the skull. This allowed the dinosaur to breathe easily at the surface while keeping its massive body hidden underwater. Rising 6 feet from its back, the magnificent sail is its ultimate signature. Scientists suggest it functioned like a dorsal fin to maintain balance. Uniquely, it possessed extremely dense bones just like a modern penguin. This heavy skeleton acted as vital ballast to overcome buoyancy and dive deep. Abandoning the land to thrive in aquatic environments, Spinosaurus represents the most fascinating and bizarre evolutionary leap in dinosaur history.